extra stuffs. Oh, I love this setting. You put it on the couch, on the porch. Yep. Now this is the chair and this is the seat I'm looking at. How much does this go for? This is what I'm looking at. For I think this is good. This is beautiful. This is really beautiful for outside. I'm looking for something like this. Yep. Okay guys, let's go get some pots for $25. This is beautiful. Now I'm confused. This is unique. This is definitely unique. Okay, let me close around, see. There's another one, very simple. Is there too much gold going on here? Oh my god. There's some sort of confusion right now. Look at this. It's beautiful. I love this one too. But it got no frame. Good morning guys. So continuation, I ordered this stuff guys. This is Temu. Oh, the quality, but unfortunately they made a mistake. They sent just 2 sets, so I'm just gonna set this up off camera and you'll see the quality of these chairs. If you're familiar, I love this chair, although this is not what I was looking for, but I just had to get something similar to this. This is from Temu, I repeat, from Temu. Let's set this up and see. I will show you guys off camera.
Ordinary baking experiences in making them extraordinary. This is the one that I had no picture of my great grandma or my other grandma, my maternal grandmother. Like, when you think about doing things sidewise, they don't 20% out, which really turned me out to the entire house.
We'll talk later. Guys, I just finished putting it together. It is not, if I sit on it, I'll just dash down on the floor. So I just want to show you guys how it looks. Oh, a big travel, so when he comes back, he's going to put it together. You see, it's still hanging there. So you see it's very uneven, so I tried. So this is how it looks, and I love that it matches with my bar stool. So this is the look. Yep, let's just put it here and see how it goes. Perfect. This is exactly what I wanted. I didn't want something really big. Yeah, I just wanted something a little bit small so it can fit the space. And I'm waiting for the 2 other sets. Hubby will come back and put those stuffs together. I think it looks pretty good here. So the dining set, we are done with this section for now. Yep.